Hi, I'm John Trischler from Specialty Performance Parts, and today we're going to show you some new fog kits we have for your 22 plus Ford Bronco with the capable bumper. We've just released the new dual fog mount that will hold a set of Baja Designs lights in your new Bronco. And in this video, we're going to show you a couple of examples of the Baja Designs Pro and their new SAE light. Of course, you can get various patterns with Baja Designs, and you can also get a sport version if you'd like. But in this case, we're going to show you the new Squadrons in the capable bumper of your 22 plus Ford Bronco. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so these are the new Baja Designs SAE lights they just released. So we're gonna go ahead and turn these on for you so you can see the new SAE light in action here. All right, now we're going to turn on our Baja Squadron Pro in the combo pattern. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Visit us at spvparts.com to pick up this light kit and other accessories for your Bronco and other vehicles, and we'll see you on the next video.